Coming in hot. Coming in hot.
Right, so this is the next shape you are going to draw. First, you draw the vertical line, then you draw the 30 degrees, then you draw this part, you join them, you have this shape, you have this, and you have that. So let's start. I'm going to draw my vertical line. So that's my vertical line. Now my horizontal, my 30 degrees angle. Yes, that's it. So now you see the distance is 38. So 38 divided by 2 is 90. So we are going to divide these two parts. So I'm going to pick 19. That's my 19. So I'll step anywhere here. Let me go up a bit. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Step here. Inscribe an arc. Inscribe an arc. Let me increase this one a bit. Alright, so you can now join the top parts to get a parallel line to the line we first drew. Right. And this here is 25. Stand here and draw my 25. Next step is this. Here is 31. So measure 31. Then step here. Same thing too for the other side. Now since this part is 54, starting from here. So let's pick 54. Starting from here. And let's continue the previous arc. It's supposed to blend. Let's do it. So you join it. That's okay. So this has been given to you. Sorry. This side has been given to you as 54, and this has been given to you as 31. So I'm moving on. Now it's left to this down part, and the total distance is 34. So let's see how you go about that. So let's draw a vertical line. Let's bring it down a bit. Let's draw a horizontal line. Sorry, you already have a vertical line, and let's measure 34. So you're going to pick 17 on each side. So now we have this touching externally. So you add 31 plus 25. That will give us 56. And you stand here and you scribe an arc. Stand here and scribe an arc. The way they meet, open to 25 and draw. Same here. This is giving you 54. So 54 plus 59. That's 113. So you stand here, you scribe an arc. Stand here, you scribe an arc. Then when they meet, you draw it. So let's see how it will go. I'm going to open to 113. So that's my 113. So I'll step here. Then you scribe an arc. Next I'll pick my 59. Then I'll step any point on this line. So I'm going to step here. Then you scribe an arc. Now the same 59, you stand at the point of intersection. You have this part. Now let's go to the other side. To pick 56. Stand here. You scribe an arc. Then 25. Stand at any point here. I'm going to stand here. You scribe an arc. Now where they meet, I'll stand there. Sorry, sorry. Alright, so let's join them. So we have a shape now. Let's have to clean this part a little bit. Deepen this one. Oh And here you go. For the downside, we just do, yeah, done.